and should when the morning star. Already I have told you this is medieval language they used in this poem. He used in his poem. Mm, means early in the morning. I would don my robe and scimitar. So when it is early in the morning, still it is a little bit dark and still stars are in the sky. At that time I get up and I'll dress up with my precious designed robe, and also would carry scimitar, means small kind of sword. I would don means wear. I would wear my robe and scimitar. Also, I would carry scimitar. And zebra 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. So he says that in the morning I dress up with I wear my robe and I would carry scimitar, and I want to visit my forest. Okay, and not horses, children. 7 zebra would draw his car. So 7 zebras would carry him, and he wanted to visit his forest. Lord of fruits of Tartary, her river's silver pale. Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood, and dell. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lakes like foamless seas, her birds delighting citron trees. In every purple veil. So here also he explained his the that glance of that beauty of that of morning view. How is that the forest would be? Here he imagines about, and he here expresses about his forest when he started visiting. Lot of fruits of Tartary. In that variety different tasty fruits are there. Okay, her river silver pale means crystal clear, silver pale. Silver pale means it is clear. Okay, rivers are very clear. Lord of the hills of Tartary, and there are mountains, very high hills, mountains, hills are there. Okay, Lord of hills of Tartary. In that Tartary wall there is very high hills, glen, thicket, wood, and dell. So the forest would be glen. Glen means a narrow valley. A narrow valley, and thicket wood means bushy area, and dell also meaning valley. So he imagine in that hill, beside the hill there is a valley, beautiful valley, clear valley is there, and bushy areas. Wood means small forest. Her flashing stars are shining in the sky, and scented breeze, that beauty, that aroma is there in the air. Okay, fragrant air. Normally now air became polluted, but in that imagination air is very pure and pleasant and very fragrant, scented, good smell. Her trembling lake. Trembling means shaking lakes like foamless sea. Have you seen seas? Can you imagine seas without foam? It is not possible now. So here he imagines that trembling lakes like foamless sea. So it is so clear and crystal, there is no foam at all in his lake. Her birds delighting citron trees. Citron means heavenly fruits. Okay, birds are delighting, birds are chirping happily in, okay, in here on the citron trees, branches of citron trees. In every purple well means a valley. In every purple well. So the valley is which color? Purple well. So understood, children? In second, third and fourth stanza. In third stanza he expressed the robe and his royalty. Okay, and in last stanza he expresses the beauty, the forest, about the lake, about the fruits, everything he imagines so beautifully, and he expresses through this poem so beautifully, right children? And so many new words also we have learned from this poem. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can ask me again, I'll explain you. Okay, till then, bye children.